Hello traders. Hello traders. Hello traders. We are starting our today's stream. Let's have a look at the crypto market and make some analysis. We are getting into Santa Claus rally week, the period of approximately 7 days before New Year holidays and 2 days after. The volatility is increasing before the holidays. The BTC is following S&P attempts to continue uptrend movement. There are some good chances of getting out of the correction, and the crypto market will finally recover. I hope so. Let's start with BTC. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame and look at this. Starting with BTC, I would say that the instrument is giving real hope for full recovery with a long scenario following after S&P movement. But there is still a risk of rebounding from 50K and going deeper to 42,000 again. The worst scenario is a fall of Bitcoin to refresh 42,000 with further consolidation on that level and breaking the level and falling to 38,000. It's a kind of worst scenario. It will be very, very bad for spot holders and investors. While the instrument is in the upper half of the consolidation inside this range, there is still a positive scenario. Let's see the next instrument, Ethereum. The instrument has suffered from recent downfall less dramatically than Bitcoin, forming the group of the instruments with high dominance upon Bitcoin. And the most important factor that the positive angle of support line gives great hopes for long. For intraday traders, I recommend searching for huge limit orders, huge limit orders amounts as support levels in this zone to find some entries for long setups. Okay, let's switch to Matic. Extremely powerful project, taking into account difficult times, and the instrument shows admirable signs of dominance. Look at the momentum and price action. The positive angle of support line is increasing. The price is accelerating. For intraday, I recommend as well searching for support zones with huge amount for long positions from the retest of this level from 2.6 to 2.7. The instrument has really good chances before during Santa Claus rallies, so-called increased volatility. It has really good chances for further long movement. The next instrument, Cardano, saw rebounding from the strong support level. Cardano is looking for a long. But be careful, we should look after BTC. Anytime it can fall down to the lower side of the consolidation. I think I do not recommend searching for entry zones right there inside this range because it's too late. It will be much more efficient to wait until price will rebound from this level, and will be ideal situation if there will be a lot of huge amount of limit orders somewhere around this level for long setups. Okay, let's look at Shiba. The instrument has gradually changed the momentum from the downtrend to consolidation. A lot depends on BTC. If it falls within a day, Shiba will probably follow that movement to the lower part of consolidation. If BTC remains in the upper side of its consolidation, Shiba will continue consolidating or even go higher to break and retest this level. I recommend looking for pullback setups depending on the BTC movement. Luna, very interesting situation. It was extremely fast long situation, and now the instrument experiences a small correction. The BTC sharply fall down, and for now the instrument Luna is going through the same scenario, and I'm looking forward searching for some support somewhere there at this level, the level of support. It will be a very strong level of correction, and as well before Santa Claus rally, I think it will be great chances to continue long movement from this position. It will be extremely good point of it will be a good entry zone. Just looking for huge amount of limit orders and just use pullback strategy somewhere here. Okay, we're moving next. AXS. The instrument for a long time has been inside the range. Now it's on the stage of retesting the upper zone. Now this level is support zone, and I recommend searching for a huge amounts of limit orders, and this is a good point of entrance for long setups. Rune. The instruments is going inside the range, so I do not recommend trading right now this instrument, and it will be reasonable waiting for some good patterns. For example, it will be good to find some triangle on these zones on the upper side or lower side of this consolidation zone. It doesn't matter, but I do not recommend trading in the middle of this range because there are no chances. There is a very bad risk rewards ratio. That's all. I think it was a short analysis of crypto market for today. Please be careful, be profitable, and make money during Santa Claus rally. Thank you for your attention.